Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at a beautiful 1966 Cadillac Coupe DeVille. Awesome car, guys. I bought this car from a gentleman local. Great guy, name's Mike. He had the car built at Kreative Bodywerks. They did the paintwork and bodywork on the car for him. Beautiful car. 42,000 original miles on this car. The restoration was completed about 4 or 5 years ago. I do have some receipts in the trunk, along with the original owner's manuals and the Protecto plate for the car. But just beautiful car. It is on a complete custom 4-corner air ride suspension kit. Beautiful. It's a charcoal gray metallic. It's got a custom two-tone suede and vinyl interior. It's sitting on 20-inch Dayton spoke wheels. I mean, just a beautiful, beautiful car, man. It's got custom LED lighting in it. Original 429 cubic inch Cadillac engine. Pretty car. You can see they've redone most of the chrome. There's a little pitting here. You can see on a little bit of it. But very, very nice. New front bumper, new rear bumper. Padded dash in there. Gorgeous paint. I'll tell you what, you look down the sides of this thing, it is laser straight. And this is a long car, guys. So somebody that the guys that did the paint work, they knew what they were doing. See the fender skirts? That thing is laser straight down the sides. With 20-inch Dayton wheels all the way around it. ZR rated rubber. It's got front disc brakes. Again, it's got the original Cadillac 429 cubic inch engine, 4-barrel stock intake. It's got a set of Sanderson ceramic headers, power steering, power front disc brakes, electronic ignition. Polished aluminum radiator. The air ride runs off the AC pump, so it's instant. This car is slick, guys. It's got a great look to it. Runs and drives excellent. The bodywork and the paintwork is very impressive on this car, guys. These guys knew what they were doing. It's beautiful. To take a car that's that big and get it that straight, really nice work. Little pitting there on the A-pillar. Original mirror there. The stainless is very nice. These original door handles. Again, the car's only supposed to have 42,000 original miles on it. Power windows, power locks. This is a custom, like a tweed bench seat with a center armrest, same in the back. I'm sorry, I said tweed, custom suede in vinyl, power seat. All factory dash. You can see how nice the steering wheel is in this car. 42,912 you can see on the odometer. All your factory gauges. There's your air ride. It's got a retro sounds custom radio in it. Single exhaust. It's got the factory rear end in it. The trunk's all finished. There's your original owner's manuals. Some receipts for the restoration, polished tank. Again, it's an airlift system. You can actually download an app to your phone and raise it and lower it. Pretty car. I'll have to, when you go around, yeah, to go around left, it's just too low to the ground for me to get under it right now. This car's a great conversation piece. You drive it down the road, we pull it out front, and everybody's out here looking at it. Stuff like this is just so cool. Dash is very nice. One little crack in that steering wheel, but man, very, very nicely done. Killer car. See how quick the air ride is? That's because it's on that AC compressor, which is super cool. That's how you just kick the air compressor on. That's how it pumps all your. That is such a cool car, man. Oh, sorry. Fender mount turn signals, they work. Fuel gauge works. Temp gauge works. Do that again, Jay. There they are. So I know they work. They're both the. Hard to see the car underneath, but good, solid, clean car. What do you choose? Got the retro sounds radio. Again, this is a remote for all the lighting. Again, there's your air ride switch. There's no wipers on it. See, it's got the LED lighting, and then if you push a button, yeah, there, you can change all the colors. It's got a bunch of stuff that it does. Very, very cool. Again, guys, make sure you keep track of our inventory. A ton of new stuff coming in. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Facebook page. My son just started an Instagram page for us. Or you can kind of do it the old-fashioned way. Pick up the phone, give us a call, 248-620-3355. Love love this car, guys. Have a great day, guys.